Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all 4 hairstyles that you can do when you are having a bad hair day. And jumping right into it like always, I am just adding water to my hair. And I am making sure that I rub that water in because I do have low porosity hair. So it does take a bit for me to get a little bit of moisture into my hair. And because my scalp is a little itchy, it is time for wash day. I'm just going to massage my scalp a little bit with this Jamaican black castor oil before getting into styling. First up, I am going to be doing a high puff. A high puff is just like the #1 solution to a bad hair day. I don't know why, but it is. I will link in the cards a detailed tutorial on how I do my high puffs, but that is what we are doing today. And if my forehead or face looks a little crazy, that is just my acne medication. I believe my skin is getting ready to peel again, so that's just what's going on. And yes, just doing a high puff, and like I said before, that link will be in the cards for you all.
My heart is broken into two. I have half, but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't want to text you that, no. Even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're
so bad hair day wear, we are rocking this high puff, and no one knows that I woke up looking really crazy this morning. Okay, so now moving on into the second hairstyle, I am going for a middle part, but I'm just going to section off 2 sections in the front of my head.
I just saw that you're out with somebody new. I should have known that something will be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought that you.
And before we do anything else, we are going to go ahead and detangle the hair. This is one thing I like about doing these styles before wash day, is because wash day is a little bit easier. You cut out the detangling process before shampooing and conditioning your hair. But I'm just using this wide tooth comb to do that because it is gentle. If you don't know already, I am tender-headed, so yeah. I'm just making sure I use small sections so that I can have the least amount of shedding possible. And we're going to put those 2 sections back in the front of our hair. And this detangling process did not take long at all. I probably would say it took about 10 minutes, which is pretty good for me. Like I said, I am tender-headed, so it takes me a little bit longer. And once we have those sections sectioned off in the front, we are going to put the back in a ponytail. I do have an awkward length of hair right now, so those 2 sections in the front would not reach to the back. But that's okay because we are going to flat twist those.
I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry. Just because.
After you finish your flat twist, make sure you secure it with 2 bobby pins, each going in opposite directions. And if it looks bulky like this, all you have to do is slide a larger bobby pin on the side and you'll be good to go. So with these styles, I do like to protect my hair when I am wearing a cotton turban. So right here, you just see me putting on my satin scarf and making sure I wrap it around. And once I wrap it around good, I am going to take the excess scarf and make sure the ends of my hair are covered as well.
You've got another one.
And now for this turban. This is actually an infinity scarf, you guys, but it's my favorite scarf to use as a turban. And I'm just making sure that I place my satin scarf exactly where I want the yellow scarf to start at on my head. And then once I placed it, I am going to be going for like a low bun with this turban. So I just make sure that I wrap tightly. That is the trick to most of these turbans. You just want to make sure that you are wrapping them tightly so that they can stay secure throughout the day. And voila, we have turned this bad hair day into a fashion statement. I love this yellow scarf because it does draw attention, but like I said before, it is a fashion statement at this point. So now we are going to remove the scarf because this next hair accessory we are going to be using is actually a satin line cap, and I love this. And you guys, this is probably the quickest fix to a bad hair day if you have your hair fixed underneath. And yes, it is just easy as that, and you just want to fix your baby hairs and then you are good to go. For this hairstyle, you could have minimized the bun in the back, but I was okay with it. I like to keep my hair together up under these turbans and caps because it just minimizes the tangling that the hair can do when it is just let free. And now for our final hairstyle, I am using this jumbo headpiece. I am not for sure where I got this from. I believe I found it in Walmart. But I am just attempting to grab all of my short hair into a ponytail, and it actually kind of works out a little bit for me. I just have to stretch the band. These bands are very stretchy, by the way, and I just push it up so that my hair is in a ponytail, and it's actually loose. As you all can see, a lot of my hair in the back was left out, but that's okay because we are going to be using this satin scarf to protect our hair from the other turban that we will be using today. For this turban, you don't want to tie the ends, you just want to tuck them because you don't want any unnecessary bulkiness. And then you want to make sure you tuck your ends again, make sure you are protecting those ends. And then we're going in with our other turban, and again, I'm just making sure that I wrap it tightly, and you all will see how I wrap this in the video. And this is our final bad hair day solution. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did and you could find one of these styles helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. See ya!